Wednesday's precise and important news. Nangarhar customs revenue up by 30%. In the last 3 months, Nangarhar's customs revenue has increased by 30% compared to the previous years. A drinkable water supply network put into operation. Ministry of Rural Rehabilitation and Development says that a drinkable water supply network was commissioned in Helmand province. Usurped government land recovered. Ministry of Justice says that 922 acres of government usurped land have been restored in Kapisa province. Indonesian Foreign Minister holds telephonic conversation with Muttaqi. Indonesian Foreign Affairs Minister in a telephonic conversation with Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Foreign Minister Maulawi Amir Khan Muttaqi expressed her condolences and prayed for the souls of martyrs of the recent heinous attack adjacent to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs compound and discussed other issues of significance. Remaining works of Shah Uruz Dam to be completed soon. According to Ministry of Water and Energy, remaining works of the Shah Uruz Dams project will be completed by the spring of next year. Acting Petroleum Minister met with the Governor of Zabul. Acting Minister of Mines and Petroleum Sheikh Shahabuddin Dilawar met with the Governor of Zabul province in his office. A man arrested with 36 kilograms of drugs. Counter-narcotics police of Nangarhar arrested a man who wanted to smuggle 36 kilograms of hashish in Durbaba district of Nangarhar.